Hey guys, it is Diana with Stamping Moon, and I'm super excited to have a tutorial for you today live. And this is what we're going to be making. I'm going to show you how to make this adorable birthday mini treat bag, or treat box, I guess you could call it. You can put a few Hershey's Kisses in there. Is that super cute or what? So let me get right down to it. I am inspired by this amazing paper. This is the Broadway bound designer series paper, and it is super fun. It's got this basic gray granite lemon lime twist, lovely lipstick, gold foil, and basic black. Is that fun or what? So that's the inspiration for my colors. I love to use designer series paper to get my colors to work from. So we're really starting with this black and gold and go and gray granite. Sorry about that. I've been sick. So anyway, so the first thing you're gonna do is cut you out these adorable from the Sweet Cake Framelit dies. You're gonna use this die here, and then you can use this cake here, or you could just use some designer series paper, and there's also a solid version that you could use. I've actually, this is the cake soiree, I can't say French very well, and what I've done is I've actually stamped this on the glimmer white paper and then embossed it in gold, and then you can see I used my Big Shot to cut that out. Isn't that pretty? So we're going to concentrate on the actual construction of this little box here, and as usual I've made you some templates. So there's our little bits of the cake, and here's our template. You're going to start with a 3" by 4 1/4 inch piece of paper, and I've got that right here. And then I've made a little template here to show you how we're going to cut it. I always like to do that. And then here is how we're going to score it. It's super easy. You will love this. So I'm going to get my scoring tool here. Cut and score blade thing. Got my piece of paper here, and this is the this is the 3" by 4 1/4. We're going to put it long ways, and then we're going to use the scoring blade, not the cutting blade, and you're going to score at 1 inch, and then go over 2 1/4 inches. It does not look right. Move it 2 1/4. There we go. There's my 2 1/4. That's why we have our template, to keep us on track. And there's those two lines. And then we're going to do 1 inch and then another inch over. And that's going to leave us with 1 inch on the other side. So you've got this little tray shape. And then we're going to be trimming it just like this with our paper snips. Love these sharp things. Be careful not to cut the wrong parts out. And again, there's no wrong or right way. You're just getting that extra paper out of there like so. You can see here the example of how you want to cut it. And to save time and the magic of video, I have one here that I've already gotten all cut out. And I've actually used the tear tape. I love this stuff. And I've already got it on these bits here, and you're just going to fold these in. Peel off the backing on the tear tape. Get that right on that edge, as square as you can. Ta-da! Halfway done. How quick and easy this thing goes together, especially when you have your pieces cut out ahead of time. Cut my nails too short. There we go. So there's our little tray. And now we'll use some more. Our little cake, we're going to put it right on there. So I'm going to use some more tear tape. And you can use a ton of this stuff, or you can use just a bit to hold it on there. It's really just how rough you're going to be with your project, if you're going to be having it at an event or you're just going to give it to one person. And see how this part here is about an inch on the cake top. And you can either tear or cut this stuff. I love it. So versatile, so easy to use, so quick. If I could get a hold of it. There we go. And then just line those up again on that inch bit there. You're going to see a tiny bit of the corner. Ta-da! How cute is that? Well, then we got to take it up a notch. You could color these with your colored pencils, your blends, a blender tool pen. Also made one here that's just out of designer series paper and embellished it with different bits that are in the sweet cake ringlets set. There are all kinds of fun things. There's bows, there's these little bits. You could actually stamp some images. There's a rose. So much versatility here. And what I've done is I've cut out this rose, and there's a little backing shape for behind the rose. So we're going to use those. I've got my handy dandy glue dots. The nice thing about glue dots is they're so versatile. And what I'm going to do is actually, there's not a lot of paper here to attach to, so you can actually fold your glue dot over like so. You can put it on the biggest spot you can find. It only takes a little bit to hold something on there. There's our rose. And wouldn't that be pretty on there? But let's take it up another notch. And right now, Stampin' Up! Has these awesome butterfly elements that are wood, and we can color these with ink, or you get 84 of these guys. There's little roses, little butterflies. I actually want to use these little floral pieces and one of these little guys there. They just pop out. They're laser cut. Aren't they pretty? And the nice thing is that they're wood, so you can either color them or leave them plain. And then you can even take them up another notch. I have these great enamel pieces here. And I love the gold and the black and the white and the brown. So we're going to add these are self-adhesive. I'm just going to put that guy right on there. Ta-da! And then our magical, my favorite, was glue dots. Look at that, right on the back. Make a little extra embellishment here. And then these we're going to stick on here. There's no wrong way. I'm just making it fancy. If you are going to color these guys, you probably want to allow some time for it to dry before you try and glue it on here, because it will tend to not stick because of the wet ink. I'm going to layer that right on top of the wood. How cute is that? Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, I love it. We could also add another bit of embellishment. These are the basics self-adhesive rind or sequins. I love these things. They just add so much. Just so pretty. Look at that. Isn't that cute? A little bit of sparkle, but with really no effort whatsoever. Then we've got our candy. Yay! And I think we need some ribbon and some more metal. So this is it looks like it would be hard, but it's super soft. I love this ribbon. This is the black and silver metallic ribbon that's currently available in the Occasions catalog. So this is a limited edition one, like the little bits of those butterflies. Those butterflies are free with a $50 purchase right now during celebration, so only to the end of the month. So be sure to get on that fast. You can fuss around with that ribbon all you want. I might have put too much chocolate in there. Is there any such thing? How cute is that, huh? I love it. So thank you so much for spending some time with me and seeing how we make this little mini cake treat bag or box. Thanks a lot, guys. See you soon. And if you have any questions, message me. I've also got some fun other projects using the Broadway Bound coming up. You can see these here, and you can visit my Instagram and my Facebook page anytime to follow me and see more inspiration. I love posting these things and inspiring you guys' creativity. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.